Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your AWS free tier account, and I will guide you step by step. And even if you have never used cloud services before, don't worry. It's super simple, and best part is that it's completely free if you stay within the limit and if you choose the free tier account. So in the first step, you have to create a new account, and you have to go to aws.amazon.com/console or /free, and then on the right top corner you will have to click create account. Once you click on the create account, and then you have to create new AWS account. Okay, the next step, it will be asking you root user email address and the AWS account, and this is the place where you have to confirm the root user email. I mean, this will be the root user. Okay, and then you have to click continue. After that, it will be sending you the verification code. After that, you have to confirm the verification code and then click verify button. Once you click the verify button, then you have to confirm the root user password and confirm root password. Okay, just remember this password, and then I just want to let you know that you have to start with AWS this service. I mean, this is just for the testing purpose, and you don't have to go to the paid version. And here you can choose the paid free version. Okay, you have to choose free plan. You don't need to go to the paid plan. It will be asking you for the payments, and once you click on the choose free plan, then it will be asking you further information. Let's click continue. Choose free plan, and then after that you have to confirm the contact information. In the contact information, you have to click as per your choice. You can choose business or the personal. Business is basically for your work. I mean, I will prefer you to choose personal always, because it will not be asking you for the paid plan. Okay, so on the personal plan, you have to confirm your contact information, your full name, country code, phone number, and the further informations with the address and the phone number as well. Okay, so let's jump to the next step. To the next step, it will be asking you for the billing information. So just to let you know that this step is often worries people, but it is totally normal. Okay, AWS asks for a credit or debit card just to verify your identity. You won't be charged as long as you stay within the free tier limit. Okay, you might see small temporary charge like $1, but it disappears within 1 or 2. Okay, so we will move to the next step. Once you confirm the verifications, and after that we'll be sending you text or the phone call. Okay, it depends whatever you choose. Okay, this is for the confirmation of your identity that you are the real person, and you confirm the country and enter the number. And once you enter the number, then you have to click the send button. So it will be asking the security verification. It might not ask for your case, but if it asks, then you click enter and send SMS. After that, you have to confirm the verify code, and you can receive it on your number once you confirm. So right after that, you are good to go, and your account is ready. So okay, so you don't need to pay for this version. Okay, your AWS account is now created, and head to a console.aws.amazon.com, and you have to log in with your email and the password. This is your this would be your AWS management console, where you will find all the cloud services like EC2, S3, Lambda, and more. So the last step is that always keep an eye on the billing dashboard, where you will be tracking your usage and you can avoid surprise changes. So that's it. Your AWS free tier account is live, and you are now ready to explore cloud computing and run your virtual server and even deploy an app. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope it is helpful for you, and see you in the next one.